ancient Japan, the samurai were extremely powerful. They were warriors who followed a strict moral code and protected their loved ones to bring honor to their families. Their weapon of choice was the tapered samurai sword, which was so sharp that it could cut through a silk scarf gently dropped on its blade. We have recreated the iconic samurai sword, pocket-sized.
Imagine if you could put the power of a samurai sword in your pocket. We use the same feathered Damascus steel that is used to create the sharpest samurai swords in the world. This means Omni stays up to 5 times sharper than normal steel blade knives. Pretty great, right? Omni, with you for a lifetime.
Hey, it's Magnus here and welcome to my Kickstarter project for this small, compact, robust, high-end titanium knife. This knife is something I've been working on for a while now. I've sort of designed, developed it, tweaked, done all the prototyping in my workshop here, specifically on that milling machine there, and cutting the metal on that water jet cutter, that kind of thing. I won't go into detail in this video, I'll keep it short. In the updates of the project, I will go into depth. I'll show you, show you how it's being made, and the various design decisions I've made and that kind of thing. If you scroll down on the main page here, there is a ton of photos, a ton of information. There's a couple more videos there as well, which shows you sort of behind the scenes and the making of and sort of how the knife works. Take a look at the rewards, see which reward will work best for you. Pledge for that reward, and I will talk to you in the backers only update section. Thank you very much.
There are those who say there's more to life than beer and barbecue, but we don't hang out with those kinds of people. Introducing the Wootz EDC, precision engineered pocket tool with folding blade and bottle opener. Just the essentials. 440C heat-treated stainless steel blade in gray, black, or titanium coating. A handy side clip on the bottle opener. Your choice of the handle, including hardwood, carbon fiber, or glow-in-the-dark fiberglass reinforced nylon. You can choose from 6 different variations to match your style. Our travelers across the world have yielded a passion for buds, suds, and all things grilled. The best thing is life. And we intend on making EDC gear with that idea in mind. Now we need your help. And with enough backers, we can get the Wootz EDC into production. All funds will go towards materials and equipment costs. With your help, we'd like to improve our blades and cut production time in half. Hit that green button to back us and receive your reward. Sharing our Kickstarter with your friends is also a great way to help us out.